A complete faceless YouTube video depth script, voice, visuals, editing, and SEO pipe generated almost entirely through AI-assisted production workflows. The workflow is simple. Provide a topic, let the AI-driven pipeline handle production, and receive a finished faceless YouTube video ready to publish. Claude Code is an autonomous artificial intelligence system that handles everything from resource creation to coordinating all production tasks. The system combines research, script writing, editing, and SEO into a single AI-powered workflow, turning a simple idea into a publishable video. The workflow begins with a single request: topic, target audience, and tone. From there, the entire process is processed automatically until the video is ready.
Claude Code allows you to organize the research process by collecting sources, key information, and structuring content much faster than with manual search.
Claude Code can generate structured scripts with pacing, emotional flow, and retention-focused storytelling built directly into the first draft.
Claude Code can coordinate tools like ElevenLabs, Suno, and Kling AI in parallel, automating large parts of the content creation workflow.
The system can automatically assemble voiceover, visuals, music, and scene timing into a finished edit, dramatically reducing manual production work.
The real power is not just the workflow itself. It is the prompt structure that makes the entire AI production pipeline run reliably from start to finish.
The main command module defines the AI workflow, production stages, tool integration, quality standards, and error handling. Claude Code can also generate titles, descriptions, tags, chapters, thumbnail hooks, and pinned comments automatically from the finished script. From one request to a finished, faceless YouTube video in 30 minutes, including research, editing, and SEO optimization.
This terminal output demonstrates the actual content creation process: searching for information, organizing files, and assembling videos without manual intervention.
As a result, the finished videos consistently demonstrate high script quality, realistic voice acting, visual design, synchronization, and rhythm.
30 days of AI-powered channel development resulted in dozens of videos, significant audience growth, and thousands of subscribers.
Compared to production costs, a fully automated AI-powered workflow is significantly cheaper, providing much higher publishing speeds for content creators.
System limitations, occasional API crashes, scripts requiring human review, and some visual inconsistencies requiring manual correction before publication.
A single operator can manage multiple AI production workflows at once, enabling a publishing scale that traditionally required an entire content production team.
Using AI in content production requires transparency in relationships with audiences, thorough fact-checking, and clear delineation of content.
The role is changing. Instead of the traditional content creator, there is now a creative director who focuses on strategy, quality control, and targeting. A full suite of content creation tools, including Claude Code, Claude, ElevenLabs, Suno, Kling AI, Midjourney, are now available in free versions.
4.5 out of 5. An AI-driven production workflow enables independent creators to create and scale content for YouTube.
The description and pinned comment contain the necessary neural networks to start creating YouTube content using artificial intelligence today.
The system continues to work in the background, conducting research, writing texts, generating materials, editing videos, and optimizing SEO.